Hiya guys, welcome to another video. So today I've got a super special video for you all. As you can see, this is a parcel from Melodysusie, and inside here we have got Melodysusie's brand spanking new Fleurwee gel polish gift box. Look at that box guys, how beautiful is that? I'm loving that blue and white together. So this is a limited edition gift box. There's going to be limited quantity of these guys. There is 3 different colour choices. This one is called Urban Chic, which has got like your staple colours in it, like your black, your white, your pink, your red. So we've got Melodysusie's contact details, their website and their address on the back. Then there's another one called Summer Escape, which has got more of your bright colours. And then there's one called Serenity Bloom, which has got more pastel shades. But each collection has got a beautiful palette of colours derived and named after the most vibrant flowers from around the world. So this just tells you what you get inside the box. We've got 4 gels, some nail art brushes, a vase and some dried flowers. I'm really liking this blue and white theme. I feel like it's got a botanical feel to it. I really like it. So yeah, like I said guys, there is going to be a limited stock of these gift boxes. So if you do want to guarantee you get one of these yourself, then they are available to pre-order right now. I am going to leave the link that you need to click pinned in my comments. You need to pre-order yours before the 16th of June. Look at that little vase that comes with it. I love that. So like I said, this one has got your staple colours in it. You've got P29, which is a deep red, P14, which is a bright white. And like I said earlier, these have also got names as well, which are named after flowers. When we do come to swatch the gels, guys, I will leave the names in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Wait until you see that P11. That pink is not just a pink. Oh, it's so beautiful. Gorgeous. Really pretty colour. So let's lift this out and have a little look. Unlock this layer to enjoy the gift of Fleurwee. So let's lift this out as well. So we have got, look, we've got some stickers. I really like these. These little tulip stickers are cute with little bows. I like it. We've got some daisy stickers with some leaves. They are slightly raised. They're really nice. I like them. Then we've got these dried flowers. You can actually smell these as well when you lift that layer out. Let's have a little look at these as well. So yeah, let me just tell you a little bit about this pre-order event, guys. So the pre-order event ends on the 16th of June, so you need to pre-order before then. Pre-ordering doesn't only just guarantee that you get your hands on one of these gorgeous gift boxes, but it also entitles you to a $30 coupon bundle as well. So you get a $20 coupon off the Fleurwee gel polish gift box, the colour of your choice, obviously. And then you also get a $10 coupon off 4 single bottles of Fleurwee gel polish. Again, colours of your choice. So you can buy these individually. Look at this, guys. I'm going to put my little flowers in my vase and I am going to put that on my desk. I think that's a really nice touch. I love it. Then flowers just need puffing up a little bit, don't they? Because they've gone flat where they've been packaged. But I really like that. I can also use them flowers for nail art as well. So I'm definitely going to do something with those. So yeah, you can buy the individual gel polishes right now on the Melodysusie website. And they are available right now. So if, like me, you are very impatient, you can go order them now. But you obviously won't get that coupon bundle. And it's only the individual bottles that are available now. The gift boxes aren't on the website yet. Only the pre-order event is. I was just showing you there. I really like that it shows you how to prep your brand new brushes. And it also shows you how to clean them once you've used them. I really like that. So let's take a look through these nail art brushes. You get a dotting tool on one end and you get a slanted brush on the other. It's a really nice thin brush that is as well. All got the Melodysusie logo on them. This looks like a really nice thin detailer brush, doesn't it? I can't wait to try that. This is like a 3D brush or a cat tongue brush. Got a really nice belly on that as well. That's going to be great for doing 3D work. Can't wait to try that. This one, again, has got a dotting tool on one end. And then on this end, it has got a square gel brush. Again, really nice belly on it. I think that's going to be really nice to use with gel. And then we've got a gel brush with rounded bristles. Again, really nice belly on it. Can't wait to try that. And then lastly, we've got a really, really short detailer brush. Look at this, guys. Got a really, really nice fine point on it, hasn't it? I love that. So that is everything that you get inside the Melodysusie Fleurwee gift box. So yeah, the pre-order event ends on the 16th of June. On the 17th of June is when you get your coupon bundle sent to you. And then between the 17th of June and the 20th of June is when you make your final payment towards your gift box or your 4 gel polishes or both, whatever you decide to go for. Right, we are going to take a look at these gel polishes now and give them a swatch and see what they're like. So whilst I'm doing that, I am just going to tell you a little bit about this Fleurwee gel polish series. So this Fleurwee gel polish formula has been 2 years in the making, guys. Over 2 years of rigorous screening and testing, ensuring each shade is beautiful and meets the highest standards of safety and quality. So you get 15ml. You get your colour swatch and number on the top. Like I said earlier as well, they have also got names. You got your ingredients on the back if anyone wants to screenshot those quickly. They cure in a LED light for 1 minute, and they've got these amazing arched brushes as well. I love these brushes. They fit so nice in the cuticle area, and they're so soft as well, guys. So this is the black. It is quite sheer, so I am curious to see if it is going to provide full coverage after 2 coats. At least we know it's not going to wrinkle in the lamp. But it is applying really nice and smooth. It's not streaky. It looks really nice and glossy. So let's give that a cure, and then we'll see what it's like after 2 coats. Ooh, I'm actually pleasantly surprised. That second coat is covering really, really well. And I only do very thin coats as well. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, look at that, guys. That has actually shocked me. Full coverage, guys, after 2 coats. After I saw that first coat, I never thought that was going to be 2 coat full coverage, so I'm pleasantly surprised with that. So this one's P11. Wait until you see this swatched. This is not just a pink. This is stunning. And I really like how these have got a very subtle florally scent. They actually smell lovely. They're not overpowering or anything. Look at this, guys. Not only is it a beautiful pink, but look at that gorgeous, subtle golden shimmer. How pretty is that? Even just the base colour is a beautiful colour on its own. But that shimmer just, oh, I love it. So let's have a look at P14. So while we're swatching these last 2, I'm going to tell you what all the hype is about this gel polish series. Melodysusie are proud to be able to bring out the first of its kind, a revolutionary plant-based gel polish formula. It's made from natural plant extracts like soybean oil and natural pigments. These gels are Hema free, HPMA free and TPO free, and it's also free from 21 different toxic substances which are commonly found in gel polishes, making it a really, really great formula for people with sensitive skin or anyone that has allergies to any of these substances. And all the plant-based raw ingredients used to make this Fleurwee series gel polish are all traceable and sustainable, using the highest standard of ingredients. Melodysusie have really gone above and beyond with this series, guys. They've not just made it about being natural, they've still ensured that the pigmentation is super creamy and opaque by using nano grinding technology, bringing users the purest and highest quality professional gel polish, which is also still very suitable for beginners and DIY home users. So that's what they look like all swatched. I have given them a coat of Melodysusie's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat as well. Look how vibrant those colours are, guys. Beautiful. They're super glossy. And you could see as well when I was swatching them, they self-level effortlessly. They was really, really nice to use. So that is everything for today's video, guys. I am going to leave all the links that you need in my description box below. And I will leave the link to the pre-order event pinned in my comments. So if anyone does want to guarantee you get your hands on one of these gift boxes and the $30 coupon bundle, all you've got to do is click the link pinned in my comments and that will take you straight on over to that pre-order event page. You'll find all the details that you need there. Really, really easy, guys. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm so excited that I've been able to share this with you guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.